at KBAFS Akula. Today we shall learn Class 6 Geographies, Chapter 5, Major Domains of the Earth. There are 4 major domains of the Earth, that is, the Lithosphere, the Hydrosphere, the Atmosphere and the Biosphere. The solid portion of the Earth's surface is known as the Lithosphere. The Lithosphere consists of various landforms such as mountains, plateaus, valleys, etc. The next layer is the Hydrosphere. This layer covers 3/4 of the Earth's surface in the form of water bodies. The third layer is Atmosphere. It's a protective sheet. It protects us from harmful sun rays. Our last major domain is Biosphere. This domain consists of all the necessities for living, such as air and water. Now, let us learn briefly about Lithosphere.
Lithosphere. Lithos plus sphere. Lithos means stone and sphere means surface. Basically, the outer covering or crust of the earth is called lithosphere. Lithosphere includes all land masses, high mountains, deep valleys, plateaus. The continents are Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Antarctica, Europe, and Australia.
Now let's learn some facts about continents. Asia and Europe is separated by Ural Mountains, and that's called Eurasia, which is Europe and Asia. Africa is separated from Asia by Suez Canal. Northern America is separated from Southern America by Panama Canal. Australia is the smallest continent and it is also known as Island Continent. Antarctica was discovered in 1921 by India. Now let's learn about our second major domain, the Hydrosphere. The Earth is known as the blue planet because more than 71% of the land is covered with water and only 29% of the surface is covered with land. Hydrosphere consists of water in all its forms. More than 97% of the Earth's water is found in the oceans, but it's too salty for the human use. A large propagation of the water is found in ice sheets, glaciers or under the ground. And only a small percentage is available as fresh water for human use.
Oceans are a major part of the hydrosphere. They are all interconnected. The 3 chief movements of ocean waters are the waves, the tides, and the ocean currents. The 5 major oceans are the Pacific Ocean, the Atlantic Ocean, the Indian Ocean, the Southern Ocean, and the Arctic Ocean. The Pacific Ocean is the largest ocean. It is spread over 1/3 of the Earth. Mariana Trench, the deepest part of the Earth, lies in the Pacific Ocean. The Pacific Ocean is almost circular in shape. Asia, Australia, North and South Americas surround it. The Atlantic Ocean is the second largest ocean in the world. It is S-shaped. It is flanked by the North and South Americas on the western side and Europe and Africa on the eastern side. The coastline of the Atlantic Ocean is highly indented. This irregular and indented coastline provides an ideal location for natural harbors and ports. From the point of view of commerce, it's the busiest ocean. The Indian Ocean is the only ocean named after a country, that is India. The shape of the ocean is almost triangular. In the north, it is bound by Asia, in the west by Africa, and in the east by Australia. The Southern Ocean encircles the continent of Antarctica and extends northward to 60 degrees south latitude. The Arctic Ocean is located within the Arctic Circle and surrounds the North Pole. It is connected with the Pacific Ocean by a narrow stretch of shallow water known as Bering Strait. It is bound by the northern coasts of North America and Eurasia.
Now, let's learn about our third major domain, the atmosphere. The Earth is surrounded by a layer of gas known as the atmosphere. The atmosphere gives us the air we breathe, and it also protects us from the harmful effects of sun rays. There are 5 layers of atmosphere based on their compositions, their temperatures, and some other properties. These layers from the Earth's surface are troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, thermosphere, and exosphere. Now, let's learn some more points about atmosphere.
The atmosphere is composed mainly of nitrogen and oxygen, which make up about 99% of clean, dry air. Nitrogen 78%, oxygen 21%, and other gases like carbon dioxide, argon, and others comprise 1% by volume. Oxygen is the breath of life, while nitrogen helps in the growth of living organisms. Carbon dioxide, though present in a minute amount, is important as it absorbs heat radiated by the earth, thereby keeping the planet warm. It is also essential for the growth of plants. The density of the atmosphere varies with height. It is maximum at sea level and decreases rapidly as we go up. The temperature also decreases as we go upwards. The atmosphere exerts pressure on the earth. Air moves from high pressure to low pressure. Moving air is known as wind.
Now, we shall learn about our fourth and the last major domain of the Earth, the Biosphere. What is Biosphere? The Biosphere is the narrow zone of contact between the land, water, and air. It is in this zone that life that is unique to this planet exists. Now, let's learn some more points about our last major domain.
There are several species of organisms that vary in size from microbes and bacteria to huge mammals. All the living organisms, including humans, are linked to each other and to the biosphere for survival. The organisms in the biosphere are broadly divided into the plant kingdom and the animal kingdom. The 3 domains of the earth interact with each other and affect each other in some way or the other. For example, cutting of forests for fulfilling our needs of wood or clearing land for agriculture may lead to fast removal of soil from slopes. Similarly, Earth's surface may be changed due to natural calamities like earthquakes.
We have covered our chapter, the major domains of the Earth. Now, let's see in our next video. Until then, take care and bye-bye.